What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your LG Smart TV. Now, this video is going to cover both how to connect your soundbar to your LG Smart TV using the Bluetooth method. I'm also going to show you how to connect your soundbar to your LG Smart TV using a HDMI cable just like this one. Now, first things first, to connect your soundbar to your LG Smart TV using the Bluetooth method, what you want to do is to make sure that your soundbar is actually turned on. So I'll just go ahead and turn on mine just like so. Now, once your soundbar is turned on, you also want to make sure that your soundbar is actually on the Bluetooth mode. And once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV. You can simply hover to the settings icon at the top right corner of the LG Smart TV, or you can just go ahead and press on the settings icon on your remote control. So if you actually want to go through the settings, you just want to hover to the top until you get to this settings icon over here. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you get to this icon over here, which is labeled sound out. Click on it, and then you just want to use your remote control and just move horizontally. So just move like so until you get to Bluetooth devices over here. Scroll down and then go ahead and click on device list. And from here, you're going to see all of the Bluetooth devices that your LG Smart TV can actually connect to, which your soundbar will definitely be listed over here. As you can see, I have a Hisense soundbar, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so.
Connected.
And now my LG Smart TV has been connected to the soundbar over here. Now you can literally see it is written connected over there, and over here my soundbar is actually also connected to the LG Smart TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and try playing any sound from your LG Smart TV, and trust me, it is going to start coming out from your soundbar over here. Now finally, another method to connect your soundbar to your LG Smart TV is to basically use a HDMI cable. Now, it is actually presumed that connecting your soundbar to your LG Smart TV using a cable is usually more productive than just using the Bluetooth method, because this is actually a wired connection. And to do that, you want to make sure that your soundbar is actually set to HDMI or ARC. So first things first, you want to go ahead and change your soundbar mode to HDMI or ARC. So I'll just go ahead and press mine just like so until it is actually set to ARC, which as you can see over here, it is actually written ARC, that is ARC. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect one point of your HDMI cable to your soundbar. This is basically how the HDMI cable actually looks like. So you want to just go ahead and connect one end of this HDMI cable to your soundbar, and I'll go ahead and connect mine just like so. And then finally, you want to go ahead and connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI and ARC port on your LG Smart TV. Now, you want to make sure that it is actually connected to the HDMI port that is actually labeled HDMI and ARC, or else this will not work. So make sure it is actually connected to the HDMI port that is actually labeled HDMI and ARC. And trust me, that will work perfectly well for you. So I'll just go ahead and connect mine. And finally, once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV at the top right corner of the TV. So just go over to the settings icon at the top, click on the settings icon, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to this sound out over here. And then you just want to go ahead and click on it, and then move horizontally until you get to HDMI and ARC. As you can see over here, HDMI and ARC has been selected, so I'll just go ahead and click on the OK button on my remote control to set this to HDMI and ARC. And now, if you try playing out any sound from your LG Smart TV, it will definitely be coming out from your soundbar. Those are basically some of the options you have to connect a soundbar to your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.